my dear students. Today we are taking a speaking session, and in this session, you will be given a topic, and you have to speak against or in favor of that topic. And the topic is that what do you think that urbanization is good or not, or urbanization is the sign of development? If you say that yes, urbanization is a sign of development, so then you have to produce your views in the favor of the urbanization is a good sign. But if you think that no, urbanization is not good, it is not a sign of development, so you have to go against it. So I think all the names I have got, and just a minute. Yes, Rakshit, Rohit, Harshit, Sushil, or Komal. Okay, very good. So we are starting with Rakshit. Yes, come on,
Yes, sir.
Rakshit. Yes, beta.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling that urbanization is not a good sign of progress.
Hmm.
As you all know that we are living in India, and the most of the population of India lives in villages. About 70% of the population
Hmm.
of India, and urbanization is not a good sign of progress. Instead of developing urban areas, we can develop many facilities in we should develop many facilities in rural areas, so that we shall not need urban areas. like uh, there are like the question is why people leave rural areas and settle to urban areas. There are many reasons, and now I will tell about the reasons. The first reason is that there comes many circumstances by the, that force the people to leave rural areas and settle in urban areas. Second, people do not get better facilities like good housing and water facility, electricity, etc. And the third reason is many people leave rural areas
In
for
rural areas,
the
beta, in rural in rural areas.
नहीं सर लीव सर छोड़ते हैं.
अच्छा, ओके. लीव बोलो फिर पूरा स्ट्रेस तो हाँ.
Okay, sir, leave.
हाँ.
The third reason is many people leave rural areas for the education of their children, because there is good education in urban areas. So these are some examples for why people are leaving rural areas and
Hmm.
settling in urban areas.
Hmm. Hmm.
And there is the responsibility of government, that government should spend first of all more on education sector and healthcare sector. There should be proper schools, proper schools in rural areas, and there should be and skilled teachers should be appointed in that schools, and children should be taken care
Hmm.
well, according to education, and office, and sir, and checking should be done every month by officers in school.
Hmm.
And in healthcare, many uh, uh, many medical camps should be set up in rural areas free of cost, and and doctors should treat every patient well, and etc. And agriculture is the main profession of rural areas,
Hmm.
and so agriculture should be developed. There should be good irrigation facilities and electricity, so that agriculture will be easy for farmers, and they will do agriculture in a nice way. And uh, and so at last I want to say that there is no need of urban areas. Instead of we have to develop rural areas. So that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, ठीक है। ऐसे आराम से बोलो, तसल्ली से बोलो, कोई जल्दबाजी, बहुत भाग भगने की जरूरत नहीं है। समझ में आ गई बात? हाँ, जितना हो सके उतना उसको करेक्ट करने की कोशिश किया करो। यस रोहित, रोहित तेरी
यस
गलती
सर,
कर
हेलो
बेटा,
गुड
इतना
इवनिंग।
हड़बड़ाया ना तू, जरा सा भी देख लेना, तू, तेरे को बैन कर
नहीं
दूंगा
करूंगा
स्पीकर
सर,
से।
पक्का वादा रहा मेरा
तू
आज।
जैसे हड़बड़ाता है ना, बार 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 बार, वो नहीं चाहिएगा बिल्कुल भी।
ओके सर।
थोड़ा फ्लो में बोल और अच्छे से बोल, रिपीट मत कर
ओके
चीजों को
सर।
बार बार, बोल।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today, I'm going to tell you that whether urbanization is a good progress, a good sign of progress or not. So, I am in the favor that urbanization is a good sign of progress because majority of the people live in urban areas, and people who are living in rural areas are moving to urban areas because of good condition, good living conditions. In urban areas there are shops nearby, and and the people of urban area live a luxury life. And as you all know that in a rural areas there are many people who are illiterate, and there are not good schools and living conditions in villages. But in cities, as we can see that there are a lot of facilities by which a person can get success in his or her life. As you all know that by living in urban areas we can do anything, we can do fun, we can study in a good environment. And although there are some um, circumstances which lead to urbanization, which tells that urbanization is not good, but in most of the point it states that urbanization is good for progress. As we can see that in rural areas the backward class people are marginalized, and they live in separated areas in villages. But in rural areas this is not that is not so. Everyone is equal in rural areas. They treat the every day in rural areas. In urban areas everyone is treated equally. And when we live in urban areas we feel comfort because in urban areas there are a lot of facilities, and by one call only we can call any service like ambulance, police. These types of services are good in urban areas. So in my view, in my mind I think that by my mind I think that urbanization is a good sign of progress. If we move from rural to urban areas, then we will progress. But in rural areas also people progress, but there are less chances of progressing in the rural areas than urban areas. That's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। ऐसे बोला करो थोड़ा सा, अच्छा है ना, ये इम्प्रूवमेंट है। थोड़ा सा हमेशा ऐसे ही
Yes,
परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश किया करो। यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is whether urbanization is a good sign of progress or not. I am in against of this. Today I will tell you about that urbanization is not a good sign of progress. Uh, to support my opinion, I will give you uh, many type of reasons. First and most important reason is that uh, there is a lack of facilities in rural areas, but they are happy because they live whether they do not know their neighbors or not, they live like brother. But in a rural area, in an urban area, it is not so. If we know any person, then also uh, we do not talk to him or her. There are a lot of robberies in urban areas, but less in the rural areas because there are less facilities. So robbers think that if we will go there, we will not find anything.
अरे यार, फिर वही बात गलती करती ना, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस यूज कर रहे हो, दोनों में विल लगा रहे हो।
Okay, sir.
क्या सर?
Many people many people think that they have shifted to urban areas and uh, have got the progress, but they are wrong, because their elders lived in rural areas where they ate a lot of things like milk, curd, paneer, etc. But in urban areas it is not so. They have to pay for everything. In rural areas we can get vegetables in many ways, like we can grow in our fields, we can go to our brothers who are living nearby to us and get the vegetables if we are not having. But in urban areas, if we are not having vegetable, then there will be two options in front of us. First is we should go to vegetable market and get the vegetable, but it is so costly in urban areas. And second is they order food from outside. But the point is that the food that we will get from outside will be injurious to our health, because they add chemicals to it. These reasons support that urbanization is not a good sign of progress. That's it.
Okay. Try to use new words. This is for all. This is for all. Okay. You have done a lot of work on vocabulary. ठीक है ना? हाँ, थोड़ा सा सिस्टम चेंज करूंगा मैं, अभी आपको आज से बताऊंगा मैं आपको, लास्ट में उसको फॉलो करना है आपको। आपकी क्लास कुछ दिनों के लिए डबल क्लासेस होंगी आपकी। ओके, आई विल टेल यू।
सर मतलब 1.5 घंटे की?
नहीं, डबल होगी, थोड़ी देर बाद फिर बुलाऊंगा। तुम्हें कहाँ कौन सा टैक्सी करके जाना है क्या? बस तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो घर वालों से बात करवा देना। हर्षित, यस। क्लास के
Yes,
नाम
sir.
पे तो तुम्हारा हाल ऐसा हो जाता है, मतलब बस पूछा नहीं कहाँ तुमको काला पानी भेज रहे हैं। कैमरे और बंद कर करके बैठ जाते हैं। यस, कम ऑन हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today, I'm in the against that urbanization is not a good sign.
हैं?
Sorry, sir. Today, I'm in the against that urbanization is a good sign.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसके अगेंस्ट हो क्या तुम?
Yes, sir.
ओके, आई एम अगेंस्ट ऑफ द व्यू दैट अर्बनाइजेशन इज अ गुड साइन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। थोड़ा
Okay,
सा
sir.
हाँ, आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir. In my view, urbanization is not a good sign for our nation and for the progress of our nation. And there are some reasons by which I can prove my idea. People people leave rural areas because of some circumstances compel them to shift in urban areas.
और थोड़ा क्लियर करो, और थोड़ा बिल्कुल अच्छे। हाँ, और करो 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 करो, बोलो, बहुत अच्छा बोला है अभी तुमने। नेक्स्ट, आगे
Yes,
बोलो।
sir. People on mass scale leaving villages only by seeing others that everyone are leaving from
एवरीवन आर कैसे आ जाएगा?
urban,
एवरीवन है सिंगुलर,
that
आर इज प्लूरल।
everyone is leaving. Yes, sir. Everyone is leaving uh, rural areas, and there are many cases there are many cases where people sell their properties, but they can't, but they could not settle in urban areas. But why do people leave rural rural areas?
रूरल,
It is one of
रूरल।
Yes, sir. Rural areas is one of the most important thing to be searched. And in my view, that people leave rural areas because of some circumstances, like they don't get sometimes the facilities that are available in cities, and sometimes they are not able to get the education that are important for them. As education is very important for the development of our country, and we can see that 70% of Indians are living in villages, and it is very important for us to maintain this by many steps that can be used to maintain this. And we can use many
things like we can like the government can make good education system and make their schools and higher classes and so that the villagers can get knowledge. And there is a lack of facilities like the like electricity, so try to government should try to provide electricity to the villagers so that they can be able to do their work and they can be able to progress with the new system of our nation. And urbanization is not a good sign, because in rural areas we can see that the main occupation is agriculture, and agriculture is very important for the economy of our country, and it is very important for us because we eat grains, and the grains can come only from agriculture. And if there would not be agriculture, then if there would not be agriculture, people would die. And in village people live with togetherness, and we can see that this feeling is not seen in villages, sir, cities. And in every situations people stand with each other in the rural areas, and they live with their cultural programs, and their major strength is agriculture. And government should try to make these the power of a nation, and the government should try to develop rural areas by developing their education system, hospitalization, and by improving the roads, so that the population of rural areas can't decrease. And we can see that most of the people leave urban areas, rural areas, and shift to urban areas. The main reason is agriculture, and by improving by education and improving the education, we can try to
Improving the condition of education. आगे बोलो.
okay, sir. Improving the condition of education, we can try to make the villages able to progress in this nation. And we can say that it is one of the biggest economy of our nation, so we must try our best to do in this nation. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. ठीक है. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today I have a debate on uh, urbanization. So today I am against urbanization, and I have some good opinion by which I can prove that urbanization is not good sign
Of progress.
of
पूरा बोला करो. हाँ.
progress
हाँ, पूरा clear.
for our country.
Hmm.
First of all, I want to tell you that what is the meaning of urbanization. The movement of people from rural areas to cities is called urbanization. People move to cities because there are lacking of facilities in villages, like there is no roads and hospital, education, light, and there is no banks.
Banks आ रहेगा फिर. Focus करो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir. There are no banks. So and so villagers have to move to cities, but government can stop it, paying attention on some issues.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला. Very good. हाँ.
First, government should open schools in villages so that students can get education. and second is health. And as we know that there is some hospital, but
आर सम
there is
हॉस्पिटल्स,
no. Yes, sir.
वर्ब का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा,
There,
कौन से?
there are some hospitals,
हम्म,
but there is no good facilities of operation.
हाँ,
So government should so government should
अरेंज, ओपन,
arrange
हाँ,
doctors there,
हम्म,
uh, and also the facilities of operation.
हम्म,
Uh, and and as we know that in villages agriculture is the main source to earn money.
मैन की जगह कभी मेजर भी बोल सकते हो आप, बोलो आगे बोलो,
Okay, sir.
बोलते रहो, हाँ,
But there are some issues. First is loan, second is irrigation, and uh, third is good seeds and market to sell things. And the fourth is good fertilizer.
हम्म,
Government should open banks in villages so that villagers can get loan. Uh, and they can farm. सर खेती करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
they
खेती
can,
करने को.
हाँ, they can do farming,
Yes, sir. So that they can do farming. And according to me, if the government pay attention on this
should pay,
issue,
government should pay,
yes, sir.
हाँ,
Okay, sir. If government pay attention on these issues, the economy of our country will increase.
will boost भी एक वर्ड यूज कर सकते हो आप, will grow,
Yes, sir.
नए नए वर्ड्स थोड़ा सा
Will
यूज करना
grow.
सीखो, हाँ, यस,
Okay, sir. And according to me, villages are better than cities because because the environment of village is very good. There everything is free, like vegetables, milk, and ghee, etc. And there is also fresh air. And villagers don't have any health issue because they do hard work in their fields. And seeing some people to and moving to cities, people that compel to others to move to cities, and for it they sell their fields, and they move to cities without any goal. And after some time they realize that all jobs need skills and English, and good and good communication skill, but they don't have these. So after some time they come back to their villages, and they and they regret for their
बहुत बढ़िया,
fields.
very good, very good.
And according to me, if the government arrange all things to villagers, so the people who are living in cities will come back to villages. And as we know that in villages we get to learn our language, food, customs, etc. And if all villagers move to cities, so these all things will disappear. So at last, I want to say that government should pay attention on these things. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश, ऐसे बोला करो, आज घबराहट घबराहट कुछ भी नहीं, ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में बोला करो। हाँ हाँ, वेरी गुड, नाइस। कभी कभी होता है, कोई बात नहीं, टेंशन मत किया करो। हाँ कोमल मैडम, तबीयत कैसी है आपकी?
ठीक है सर।
चलो बोलो।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today my topic is urbanization is a good sign of progress, and I am tell about
हाँ हाँ,
tell
आई एम टेल अबाउट क्या होता है?
I am tell in the favor
अरे
of
आई एम टेलिंग, आई एम
I am
स्पीकिंग।
tell sorry sir I am telling in the favor of urbanization is a good sign of progress. Yes, we all know that we live in Bharat and there is a lot of population, and most of the people live in urban areas because there are many reasons, because there is a good education system, and there is a good education system, and also living, also security system, and food system, and also basic needs. There is a there is also basic needs, and but we all know that most of the people live in rural areas because they want to leave their families, and in the rural areas they have to leave their families, and they do work there. They do they do work uh, in the fields, so they have to live in rural areas, and in the urban areas, most of the people think that they want to earn more money, so they have to live in urban areas, and we all know that all people want to succeed in their life, so they want to uh, get good education, so most of the people live in urban areas to get good education, and also we all know that in the urban areas, school system and education system is also good, and we all know that in the rural areas there is a lacking of basic needs like water, electricity, and education system, and medical system, and 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 etc. And in the Bharat, and in the rural areas, most of the people are illiterate, so they want that their children also get education, so so they सर भेजने को क्या
हाँ
बोलेंगे?
सेंड बोलते हैं, पता है तेरे को,
They
घबराए मत। हाँ
So they send their children to urban areas, and and all parents want that their children have good career, and in so all people have good aim, and also they want to earn more money, so they want to live in urban areas. And we all know that in the urban areas there are good opportunity to get job in the all fields like and all fields like education, medical, electricity, house making houses, etc. And they in the urban areas there is a good amount to
Off,
uh,
off.
there is a good amount of a job, and all people
हाँ,
leave most of
good
the
amount नहीं आना चाहिए. There is a large number of jobs. There are jobs
people.
in large number, ऐसे बोलेंगे. कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो तुम. अब ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा बोल.
Yes, sir. And most of the people want to leave society because there is a good security system, and in the urban areas also good progressive atmosphere, and in the urban areas also good good habit to earn more money, and in the urban areas good markets and good items also. So most of the people live in urban areas, and in the rural areas there are many there are many farmers, so they have many नुकसान क्या बोलेंगे सर.
Disadvantages.
So they have many disadvantages like in the
नहीं,
in
they are in loss, ऐसे भी कह सकते हो आप. Disadvantages से थोड़ा सा अलग हो जाएगा.
yes, sir. There they have many losses in the all their fields. In so most of the people live in urban areas, and urbanization is a good thing for us. That's it, sir.
Very good, shabash. Thank you very much.